This is the Anker 737 power bank, also known as the PowerCore 24K. It has a massive 24,000 mAh battery with a maximum input and output of 140 watts. Now, before I review this, let's crack open the box and see what we've got. Four things inside: the power bank itself, a travel-friendly soft carrying pouch, a 140 watt USB-C to C charging cable, and of course the user manual. Design wise, I love the sleek look, gunmetal finish with Anker logo, smart digital display. The sides have a textured grip which makes it easy to hold, I guess. Up top you've got two USB-C ports and a USB-A port. Both the C ports support power delivery 3.1 while the USB-A support quick charge 4.0. It weighs 623 grams, so it's not very lightweight, almost feels like a brick, but the size is definitely small enough. On the inside it has got 6 cells, each with a 4000 mAh capacity, adding up to a total of 24,000 mAh, well below the TSA limit, so you can carry it on a plane. You have a button on the right to activate the smart screen, which is one of my favorite features in this power bank. The screen tells you a lot of useful information at your fingertips. A single press reveals the battery percentage. With the second press, you can see some battery stats like its internal temperature, battery health, total charge cycles, total watt hours in and out of the power bank. There's even a count of how many times the screen has been on. Not sure why they included this, but it's there. And with a third press, it gives you an option to disable the auto screen off. Keep in mind, if you're constantly using the screen, it will slowly drain your battery. Not by a lot, but I advise you to keep the screen off. The screen looks a little different when you're charging your devices. A countdown timer displays the remaining hours of battery charge for the power bank, calculated based on its current output to the connected devices. I'm charging my iPhone 13 Pro Max and an iPad Air 5 using the Type-C ports at the top. When recharging the power bank itself, it tells you the estimated time required for a full recharge. Now keep in mind, I'm using a 60 watt adapter for this. If you guys had a 140 watt adapter, it would even be quicker than this. So if the battery is dead on this, my 60 watt adapter takes roughly 90 minutes to recharge this. But if I had a 140 watt adapter, it would take roughly 55 minutes, which is lightning quick. If you hold the side button for a few seconds, it makes some blinking eyes appear on the screen, which is cute. Yep. And then the display also uses a gyro sensor to automatically adjust to the current orientation. This power bank is capable of 140 watt charge output. That means you can charge your laptop, iPad and your phone at the same time. But here's the thing, 140 watt output can change based on how many things you're charging and which ports are in use. Let's break it down further. If you're just charging one device in either of the USB-C ports, it can max out at 140 watts. Meanwhile, the USB-A is limited to just 18 watts. Now imagine three different situations. Number one, we're using USB-A port and one USB-C port. The C port will give you 100 watt max, A port will give you 18 watts. Situation 2, where you're using two USB-C ports, they will share the 140 watts between them. And in situation 3, where you're using 3-port connection, the A port is limited to 18 watts no matter what you do, and the rest 122 watts will be shared between the C ports. The power bank has a special feature called Trickle Charge, perfect for charging small devices. To turn it on, just double tap the side button. A green dot appears to show you it is working. Now this is to prevent the power bank from shutting off due to low power draw, which can happen with very small devices like wireless earbuds. It also supports pass-through charging. If you don't know what pass-through charging is, it means you can recharge the power bank while it is charging your phone or any other device at the same time. I think it's a really nice feature to have. It means you can use the C1 port to recharge the power bank and the other USB Type-C port to charge your phone. It comes with lithium polymer batteries, and battery health of course will decrease over time. I'm at 100% right now after 17 battery cycles. Now to give you a ballpark figure, you'll likely hit around 80% battery health after approximately 800 cycles. So if you charge it from 0 to 100% every single day, it roughly take about 2.5 years to reach that 80% battery mark. That's pretty impressive in my opinion. Overall, I absolutely love this power bank. It comes with two USB-C ports which come in really handy. Sure, it's a bit on the bulky side. It's not going to fit in your pocket, but it does come with a lot of recharging power. I can quickly charge 3 devices at once. The build quality is really good as well. The grooves on the side catch a bit of dirt, but it's easy to wipe clean.